Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how we can create this gold effect. Let's go to site pngaaa.com and here we can find photos without background. I'm entering actress into the search field and I will choose some pictures. Let it be this one. I am clicking on this photo and now I am clicking free download. Okay, we have our photo in downloads. Let's take this photo and drag it to Canva editor page. Now I add a new page and click on the photo which is in my downloads. Here we have them. Now let's go to edit image and here choose effect. Color mix effect, click see all and click rainbow. Click once time and adjust settings. I am amount doing 0 and 0.8 and offset let it be 2. Okay, now I am clicking apply and this photo set image as a background. Click right click and set image as a background. Double click and adjust its location. Now I download this picture like PNG file and choosing second picture, click OK and download it. Now I am taking my picture from downloads and dragging it to Canva editor page. Now let's add a new page and drag this photo. Now let's go to top menu, edit image and let's choose duotone effect. Click see all and here take mustard effect. Okay, click apply and now go to edit image and here adjust, click see all and here we can adjust brightness. I am doing 20, 25, contrast, let it be 30, saturation, I'm doing 22 and that's all. Now I am clicking right button and set image as a background and here we have gold effect. Here was our original photo and now we have this photo. Let's try with another photo. I'm adding a page. Let's go to our PNG and let's search for actor. Now I am choosing this one photo. Clicking on it. Now click free download. Okay, now I'm going to my downloads file, taking photo and dragging to Canva editor page. Let's click on the photo. Now we are going to edit image, color mix effect, click see all, rainbow. Here we adjust amount and offset. Okay, I'm clicking apply. Now I download this photo like PNG file. There is page number 4. I'm clicking page number 4, click done, download it. Now I am taking photo and dragging it to Canva editor page. Let's add a new page, clicking on my photo, then go to edit image, top menu, and choose duotone effect, click see all, mustard. That's okay, apply. Now edit image. I'm going to adjust, and we can adjust here brightness. It looks good. Now I am cropping a little bit. Here, click right button and replace the background. Now double click and make it a little bit bigger. And here you go. I hope you like this tutorial and see you in the next tutorial.